Long Tulfo and Jesse B. Guse. And the rough. Early lead is taken by the favorite Cheese Blanca, Poker Chip on the outside, Lorcas Tower and Izip. And nearing the far turn, Cheese Blanca by half a length, followed by Poker Chip on the outside in second. And running in third by 5 lengths, Lorcas Tower. Moving up on the inside is Izip. Rounding the far turn is Cheese Blanca by the rail by half a length, followed by Poker Chip on the outside in second. And a very far third is Izip. And on the outside is Lorcas Tower. The last bend for home, it is still the outstanding favorite, Cheese Blanca by a length and a half, followed by Poker Chip in second. And Izip now running in third, Lorcas Tower by the rail in fourth. And into the home stretch and nearing the playoff line, it is still the outstanding favorite, Cheese Blanca in the lead, followed by Poker Chip, and closing in third, Izip and Lorcas Tower on the farther outside. And finally, it's a cinch for Cheese Blanca, Poker Chip, Izip and Lorcas Tower.
Right? Hindi na disappoint.